an easy Dollar Tree craft that I came up with for the Easter holiday. If your kids like bright colors and glitter, they are sure to love this project. This is one craft that you will love to use year after year. Here's what you need to make your own. 1 foam cone, packs of foam glitter egg ornaments, Easter grass, and hot glue. Start by removing the ribbons from the eggs. Place some glue on an egg and hold it in place on the cone for a few seconds. Start at the bottom and work your way up. Once the cone is covered, fill in the holes with grass. I use the skewer to push the grass into the gaps. Make sure you let the glue dry before filling in the gaps. You can also add a little glue to help the grass stay in place. You can complete the entire project for under $6. Thanks for watching and make sure to join me next week.